Knowledge, acceptance, and courage. These words lead this graduation's theme. Confidence brings out the best in you. Good morning. To our generous and dynamic founder, chairman, and CEO, Dr. MJQE, our president of AI Language Center, Mr. Sophia M. Lei, Madam Yana Rua, campus directors, deputy campus directors, head teachers, parents, staffs, and all fellow graduates. My name is HuyEng Gauy. I'm 50 years old and the AI 25th graduation GEP representative. To all graduates, today is an extraordinary day. It marks an ending to our academic journey and a beginning to another. Remember how hard we worked daily, all our homeworks, all our exams. We encountered so many different and challenging things, and yet we were still able to push through. Looking back, I still remember everything as if it was just yesterday, but here we are in graduation gowns, ready to open up to a new world ahead of us. My journey at AI Language Center started 6 years ago. I recall being a timid kid who would always find a way to embarrass herself. And I couldn't even form a sentence without stuttering or making a grammatical error. However, that was when I felt left out, as if I wasn't good enough because I barely spoke any English. But my teachers would help and encourage me to improve every day. And the next thing I knew, I was starting to improve from just my first year of being here. And from then on, I just kept learning new things from my teachers. I even went on to win my first ever public speaking contest. I think a lot about the times when my teachers would help me recite my speech after class and encourage me with all sorts of words. They told me that I could do it and that I would win. It's those little memories that I still keep with me till this very day. And I see many changes in my English and myself as a person. But it also took much work for me to get to where I am. And I'll be thankful for it. And that's my journey. It was tough, but nevertheless, it was great, you could say. Now, I was also offered many other opportunities in this journey, like school contests, activities to participate in, getting to meet new people, and joining school clubs, where I got to meet some of the most amazing people to work with. I was actually a part of the Spring Forward volunteering club, and it had opened so much opportunities for me to learn while also making memories and trying new things that I've never done before and never thought that I'll be doing as a teenage girl. And with so many things happening so far, it got me thinking, if my parents didn't enroll me into AI Language Center, I wouldn't be here right now. The same thing goes for life. Everything that were meant to happen will happen. Sometimes good things and good, kind-hearted people appear to help you along your journey through life. And sometimes bad things and awful people were put into your life to teach you something, make you learn, and become a better human being. On the other hand, though, life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get, and that's what makes it very beautiful. You could be happy today, then all of a sudden you get hit by this overwhelming grief the next day. But no matter what, we need to learn to push through and never concede defeat. Efforts and commitments are all it takes. A quote I once stumbled upon read, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Cliche, right? But it's true. In any case, It doesn't matter what you're doing or trying to do. It all begins with a tiny action and one little progress. But always keep one thing in mind, and that is to never quit. We need to believe that we can achieve our goals, big or small. It's never too late. We'll never know unless we try. Moving forward, we can continue to do good in contributing to this world. And remember, graduation is not the end. No. Rather, it's a beginning to a more remarkable destination. It sure is a milestone worth marking. And to be able to make it this far, everyone here should be proud of themselves. So now, I'd like to thank Dr. Meng Lee for building this amazing learning system, giving me and everyone here a chance to learn quality education and evolve into responsible individuals. To our teachers, for your guidance, patience, and teaching me the most significant skills of all times, which is surviving the adversity and practicality of life. To my friends and clubmates, for giving me the best memories and giving me reasons to laugh all the time. And most importantly, to my family, for your endless love and support throughout my academic year. My journey here has ended, but I'm eternally thankful for this incredible voyage. It has taught me so many valuable things in life, and my experience and education have opened up to more possibilities and opportunities for me later on, that I'll be forever grateful for. Once again, graduates, we've made it. Congratulations. Thank you.